Is there a specific sequence or method for performing a factory reset or hard reset on my device?
Hello everyone. We're here today to help you understand how to perform a factory reset or hard reset on your device. Whether you're planning to sell your device or you're trying to troubleshoot some persistent issues, knowing how to reset your device can be extremely useful. Factory reset, also known as hard reset, erases all data and returns the device to its original factory state.
What is a factory reset or hard reset?
Before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the what. A factory reset, as the name suggests, resets your device to the state it was in when it left the factory. This means all your personal data, settings, apps, and more will be wiped from the device. It's like giving your device a fresh start.
When should you do a factory reset?
A factory reset should be considered as a last resort when troubleshooting problems. It's also a good idea to do a factory reset when you're selling or giving away your device to protect your personal information. Please note, a factory reset will delete all data from your device. It's extremely important to back up any data you want to keep before proceeding.
How to perform a factory reset on Android?
To perform a factory reset on your Android device, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap System. 3. Tap Reset Options. 4. Tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset. 5. Tap Reset Phone or Reset Tablet. 6. If asked for your device PIN, pattern, or password, enter it. 7. To erase all data from your device's internal storage, tap Erase Everything.
How to perform a factory reset on iOS?
For your iOS device, you can follow these steps. 1. Navigate to Settings. 2. Tap General. 3. Scroll down and tap Reset. 4. Tap Erase all content and settings. 5. If prompted, enter your passcode or Apple ID password. 6. Confirm that you want to erase all data and reset the device. That's it for our guide on how to perform a factory reset or hard reset on your device. We hope this has been informative and helpful for you. Remember, a factory reset should be your last resort, and don't forget to back up all important data before proceeding. Stay safe and happy troubleshooting.